First off, we would like to thank everyone who watched this video. We are from the KP 5G team. My name is Rachana.
Em Ratha.
Em Kalyanai.
I'm Nata.
And I'm Chita.
Now we want to talk about an app that we created, and that app is called Product Barcode Finder.
See that there are product barcode fraud and there are many fake products on the market with unclear sources. That why we created this app to help solve problems such as
1. Easy to find product information. 2. Prevent fake product. 3. Know the origin of the product. 4. Easy to buy product. The last one, a business in product distribution.
Final, our team explanation have come to an end. If there are any mistake, we apologize in advance. And thank you for taking the time for watching this video. Thank you.